What's going on, Hurley? Rafi here, boxing instructor over at Nonantum Boxing Club over in Newton, Mass. We are at the cross training area, and today we're gonna do a little stretching, review the punches, and also work on some dodging and some forward and backwards moving as you punch, or even just general movement. All right, like I said, let's do a little stretching. Spread the feet nice and wide. You're gonna reach back, take a deep breath, and drop down and relax and repeat. Giving you a different angle here. One more here. Last one for me. At any point, if you want to stop me and get more stretching in, it's never a bad thing. All right, we're going to reach sideways now. Get the option to pull the hand if you want to deepen the stretch. Grab the elbow if you want to deepen the stretch. And go at your own pace. Make sure you're breathing. All right, and let's loosen up the core. Let the hands just kind of have a mind of their own. Try to get a 360 angle of the whole area in wherever it is you are. All right. Next up, you're going to lift your big toe. Put it in front of you, lift your big toe, and try to get as closest to the toe as you can. Stand up, switch to the other foot. As long as you feel the stretch here, you're perfectly fine. All right, one more on each side for me. Good, all right. Let's go down to the ground. You're going to do a butterfly stretch. Get the feet close to you. Grab the toes and try to sit up. Let the knees just kind of drop. And again, always a good idea to breathe. Good work. All right. Keep one leg tucked in, straighten out the other, and try to get as close to that, try to get your hands as close to that toe as possible while keeping this foot nice and straight. If you need to grab the foot, if you don't reach the toe, that's perfectly fine. And switch to the other side. One more stretch, and then we're going to warm up the body with some push-ups and some jumping jacks, and then we'll get to work. All right, you're going to get your butt up in the sky. You're going to straighten one leg, bend the other one. Try to get the heel down on one side, then switch. Try to get the heel down. Ten more seconds here. All right. Shake it off, shake it off. Make sure you have some water near you. Pause me if you need to go grab some water. We're going to do 10 push-ups on my count, and then 30 jumping jacks. And then from there, we'll learn the punches, and we'll learn some dodging, and we'll learn some movement. You'll see why there's two pipes right here in a second. All right, let's go back down. You're going to do your push-ups. Get your hands either right next or right under your shoulders. All right, not in front of you, right next or right under your shoulders. You can go on your knees if you need to, but the goal is you're up until I say down. We got 10 push-ups here. Here we go. Down, 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, down, 10. Good, let's get 30 jumping jacks. And then we should be able to get started from there. Here we go, 30 jumping jacks. And begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Good work. All right, get some water, and then let's work on the count and the punches. All right, so if you happen to have a broomstick or a mop stick, use that to help you break your stance. If you are a righty, you're gonna either step side to side, shoulder width apart, maybe a little wider. Then if you're a righty, if you throw or right with your right hand, you're gonna step backwards and then turn the feet 40-degree angle. If you happen to have a broomstick, you wanna get the left toe as close to the broomstick as possible, and then the right heel as close to the broomstick as possible. One more time, shoulder width apart, split your stance, step back, turn. That's it. If you're a lefty, if you make an L with your hand, you're gonna step back with your left foot. Step back with your left foot, turn. All right, I'm gonna assume that most of you guys are righty. You're gonna step back, turn, strong hands on the chin, weak hands in front of your face. All right, the most common punches are the jab and the cross, also known as a 1 and a 2. All right, so when you throw the jab, your knees are bent. All right, you're twisting, the thumb points down because your shoulder comes up and gives you a little bit of protection. Your strong hand is on your chin, protecting. Back to your stance. Always put a little more weight on this back leg, about 60 to 70% of your weight. Be at the balls of your feet, not flat-footed. Here we go. So 1, 1, 1. All right, now we're going to throw 10 ones in a row. All right, on me. Here we go. Ready, knees bent. Make sure your stance is good. Again, lefties. Same thing, your 1 is your weak hand. And 10 ones in a row, ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, thumb down, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Shake it off. All right, now we're going to throw the 2, the second most common punch, the cross. All right, so we're here, this hand's protecting. All right, I'm pivoting, I'm squishing a bug with this back foot. Shoulders are pointing to my target. Weak hands protecting my face. Back to my stance. 2, back to my stance. And again, thumb points down because the shoulder comes up to give you a little bit of protection. All right, let's put those 2 punches together. Put the 1 and then the 2, and then reset. 1, 2, reset. Here we go. We're gonna throw it for 30 seconds. In 3, 2, 1, begin. Thumbs down, knees bent. Good. So that should have been a nice casual pace. Now we're going to throw it a little quicker. I would say a little more, not full force, but close to it. All right, so knees bent, strong hands on the chin, weak hands in front of your face. We're going to go 20, 21, 2. So jabs and crosses, 10 on each side, 20 total punches. Here we go. And begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Back to your stance, shake it off. Good. All right. The next punch you're going to learn is the hook. So the odd numbers, for those of you that know the evens and odds, are the weak hand. Same thing for a lefty. Your weak hand are the odd numbers. So we've learned the 1, thumb down, strong hands protecting the face, knees are bent, twist the core. 2, thumb down, weak hands protecting the face, squishing the bug. Most of your weight is here now. 3, hook to the head. One more time. 1, 2, 3. And for my lefties, 1, 2, 3. Going back to my righty stance. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Jab, cross, hook. All right, we're going to go 26 of these punches, all right? So 1, 2, and 3, 26 punches total. Here we go. 24 punches. 3, 2, 1, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3 other punches. Twisting that core each time. All right, shake it off. Now we're going to throw 1, 2s, and 3s, jab, cross, and hooks as fast as we can. All right, just really try to get that heart rate up. What you don't want to do is you don't want to drop your hand while the other one's punching. Always protecting yourself at all times. All right, and try to do that while try to go as quick as you can. All right, we're going to go until I say stop. Here we go, knees bent. And go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let those hands go. Let those hands go. Ten seconds. And shake it out. All right. Let's add the 4 and the 5. So 1, 2, 3. Uppercut with the strong hand is the 4, even number, strong hand. Uppercut with the weak hand is the 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. For sake of time, we're going to throw these punches at a fast pace. All right. Again, don't drop your hands as you're throwing these punches. When you throw this 3, don't widen it out. Okay. Keep it nice and tight. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut, uppercut. Here we go. Nice and quick. 3, 2, 1, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to your stance. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put that pace on it. And shake it off. Whew. I can feel my heart rate going up. I hope you're getting your heart rate up. Whew. Make sure you get some water. Need water, go grab it, pause me at any point. All right. We're going to just learn those punches for right now. I want to work on movement. So if you happen to have a broomstick, You're still gonna use it, or a mop stick. Still gonna use it. You're gonna get into your boxing stance. So for the righties, step back with your right foot, turn. Try to get the left toe as close to the pole without hitting it. Try to get the heel as close. Knees bent, strong hands on the chin, weak hands in front of the face. You're not shrugging your shoulders. Your biceps are helping you keep the hands up in the sides of your body. Alright? So we're going to take a couple steps forward. It's always 2 steps, but you always end up to your starting point. Alright? So when you go forward, start with the lead foot. If you go backwards, you start with your strong foot, back foot. All right, what I want you to try to work on now is jabbing and moving forward. So jab, this front foot steps with the punch, back to your starting point. Jab. Same thing going backwards. And then once you get good, if you have the broomstick, make sure your feet come really close to it, as close as they can, without touching it. And again, make sure your feet always end up shoulder width apart. It's always 2 steps. Alright. From there, you can add the 1, and when this back foot comes, you can throw the 2. And again, notice how my feet stay shoulder width apart. I touch the stick, which is okay from time to time, and especially if you're just learning. Alright, and then when you go backwards, just throw the jab. Just throw the 1. Back to reset. Try to make sure you're not taking little baby adjustments here. Good. Good. Water up. Then we're going to put all those punches together, do a couple combinations, and then maybe see if we can do a couple of movement actions. At this point, I've worked on getting a good stance. I'm not going to use the broomstick. If you still feel like you need to use it, by all means use it. All right, so we're going to go 20 1s and 2s. All right, 20 of these, 1s and 2s. Jabs and crosses. All right, and then we're going to work going 4 steps forward, 4 steps back. Here we go. 20 punches, 4 steps forward, 4 steps back. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's put all the punches together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here we go. Going for speed. All right, try not to drop your hands. Make sure you're using your core the whole time you're punching. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jab, cross, hook, strong hand, strong, weak hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For my lefties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to my righties. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. The last thing we're going to do. We're going to do 1 minute of punching, just so you have a general idea. A boxing round takes about 3 minutes. 2 minutes if you're just a beginner amateur, but 3 minutes total. So we're gonna throw a punch for punches for 1 whole minute. All right, we're gonna start with 1, 1, 2. Weak hand, strong hand. All right. start with 1, 1, 2. I might switch it up in between. Here we go. 1 minute of non-stop punching. 3, 2, 1, begin. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Give you different angles. One, two, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Back to your stance. Back to your stance. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 5. Uppercut with the weak hand. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. Back to your stance after. Out of 5, 2. 1, 2, 5, 2. Jab, cross, lead uppercut, cross. Back to your stance. Go. And break. Hurley, let me know. Again, if you are interested in boxing, please go to a boxing gym and learn boxing. All right, don't do this stuff on your own. Please make sure you are supervised. Hope you enjoyed it. Next class will be a little more dodging punches and countering. All right, with a little bit more movement. Have a good one.